Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Uh, my name is Param Karuna Das, and this is my wife, Damodar Leela Devi Dasi. And we welcome you to this YouTube course called Introduction to Bhagavad Gita. This course is based on the Bhagavad Gita, of course, but the one whose commentaries and translations have been provided by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This course is going to run on a weekly basis. It starts in June 2020, and the live classes happen on Zoom every Sunday. So, as we have these sessions, we will be uploading the video recordings of these on YouTube. Each session is approximately 2 hours. So, we will be uploading the video recordings as the sessions happen.
And it'll go on for about 6 to 7 months. So, till the end of 2020. This course is mainly geared for beginners, so we don't assume that you have any prior knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. But it's also useful for people who are returning back or revising Bhagavad Gita for, second, third, or any number of times, because Bhagavad Gita is so deep that you can never learn it enough. And then in this course, we're going to cover the entire Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters and 700 verses total. So each and every verse will be covered. We'll also see the connections between chapters and also how verses across chapters are connected for a particular topic.
A key part of this course will be applying the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita in our lives. Bhagavad Gita is principally a text that is very practical and meant to be applied in our lives. So we will have a lot of focus on practical application, and out of practical application will come a lot of questions, and we would encourage a lot of questions, and we will do our best to answer all of them during the live course and also on YouTube, which we will share later what method we have to allow YouTube viewers to ask questions and receive our answers.
Okay. A brief history about this course. So we have been offering similar courses for last several years in in-person format in Portland, Oregon, where we live in United States. But then after the coronavirus pandemic happened in 2020, which we are living through right now, we started offering the courses online. And we also did a seminar on how to understand this coronavirus pandemic from a Vedic view back in April and May. And we received a very good response, and we could see that people were really looking for answers. They were turning to Bhagavad Gita, they were turning to spirituality, and that was just one good thing out of this bad situation that we are all undergoing right now in the pandemic time. And we saw that a lot of people from across the world were interested in this. So we started offering an online course which was available to everyone. But again, there were some people who were not able to attend due to time zone issues, and that's how this YouTube channel is coming into picture now.
So we are going to, as we said, offer these recordings online on YouTube. And in this way, we can make it available to a much larger audience, not limited to any time zone, any specific geography or location, etc. Bhagavad Gita is a very, very deep text. One iteration, one reading will not, or in most cases, is not enough. The more we read, the more new realizations we get, and therefore this YouTube format offers a wonderful ability to go back, rewind, go and listen to the class or lecture again, read the book obviously back and forth, so to gain a very good understanding of this very vast and deep subject matter.
Yeah, and then while you're going through these recordings, if you have any questions, we have given a link in the description of the video recording, which is a contact us form. So you can use that and send us any questions if you have, and we'll try to address those in the future recordings, in the future sessions, and the recordings will be available later. And also, if you can subscribe to this channel, you can keep getting updates about the new recordings that we are uploading. We are going to upload not only for this course, but we also do several other classes and on Srimad Bhagavatam and other Vedic scriptures, and you can get access to those lectures as well.
And just one more thing, if you are watching these series after the course has ended, which is maybe in 2021 or anytime in the future, you can still ask your questions through this contact us form, and we will do our best to respond back to you with our answers, or we may post a video answer on YouTube through a video.
Yeah, so that's about the course. A very quick introduction about us. So we are basically from India, and we studied at IIT Roorkee, and we have been working in the IT industry for the last almost close to 25 years. We moved to the United States about 16 years ago, and by Lord Krishna's mercy, we got connected with devotees, and we attended similar classes that we are offering now through the help of very kind devotees. We were able to learn Bhagavad Gita, and then we are, as Lord Krishna himself says in Bhagavad Gita, we are trying to now pass it on. We are trying to do a small bit of spreading his message by offering these classes, and we sincerely hope that you all are benefited by that through the small service. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.